guys! Welcome back to my channel. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Sana ay okay na okay po tayo. And for this video, samahan niyo ako guys. Mag-unbox tayo ng package. Nakatanggap na naman tayo ng package from one of our supporters.
Wow!
So, thank you so much for this package. So, yes, samahan niyo ako guys. Mag-unbox tayo. Yes, before anything else guys, I would just like to say thank you all for your support and for always watching my videos. And especially to my relatives, to my friends, and to Miss Grace Barroman. Thank you so much for your help, for your encouragement, for helping me grow with my channel. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much guys. I really appreciate you all that. Yes! Samahan niyo ako, mag-unbox tayo ng ating blessing! Ating blessing! So, yes, samahan niyo ako guys, mag-unbox tayo. So, ito na guys ang ating box. Mag-unbox na tayo na. And I have my twin girls. Shania at Shaina na naman. Ayan. I-open na natin to guys. So, wow. Ayan. Sobrang. Ayan. Maybe you can also help me. Ayan na guys. Ayan. What is this? The dye from Belgium. And then we have kisses with almond. And then we have candies. I love this. And we have candies. So Victoria Secret na mga undies pa. And we have this. Come, Ina. Come. Ayaw may Ina.
Walang spa.
Ina, Naya, Ina, Naya. Dilata, corned beef. And I like. This is my favorite bath soap. We have sausage. Napaka-generous naman po nang nagpadala ng box. So, thank you so much po sa inyo.
Paano ba kayo buksan?
You just need to like, i-ikot mo lang.
Hindi ko na po bang buksan?
Yes. So,
Ito po buksan ko. Corn beef.
thank you so much po sa nagpadala ng ating package. Wow, sana all. Ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano, ng malapitan. Ayan. What's that? Ayan. Ayan. So, we have Bikini, Haynes, and then Victoria. Kisses. Ayan siya.
Hindi ko na tayo buksan. Tanong mo ako yun. Ina.
Ayan guys. Ayan, scissors. Bakit kumita ng scissors?
Scissors.
Punitan mo muna siya ng konti.
Basta namin naka...
So, ayan guys. Ito yung
Kaya.
and this. And yan siya. Yan siya. Kinakain na nila ang kisses. Ayan. Kinakain na nila yan.
Guys, comment kayo kung gusto nyo namin choco, guys.
Parang kasing weird yung mint sa chocolate.
Hindi po Naaapa yung mint dito, mga tao dito. Wala akong kasama. Walang kayo ang kasama.
Yeah, guys, ang favorite niya daw is choco mint. Choco mint?
Ang feeling ko si Pia kung saan mo.
So yun guys, sobrang favorite ko talaga rin yung mga Victoria's Secret na empties. Napakalambot, masarap suotin. So maraming salamat po sa taong nagpadala ng package na to. Sobrang salamat po sa iyo. Sana marami pang blessings ang dumating sa inyo. Thank you. Thank you. So yan na guys. Thank you so much again
diba
for watching guys.